It's Mother's Day again. I'm at the Corso, the end of the Corso in Castello, and you're looking at the little bay over here. This is now in about a week or so. They'll be building the lidos that go out over the rocks, and you pay €7 or €8 to go in for the day so you can go swimming. I'll show you over here. Look at the water, how blue it is. Folks, a lot of folks swim here, as you can see. And even now, today's really the first day, and people can hang around the beach. Straight away is Architrezza. You could see one of the stones that Ulysses threw. The Cyclops threw at Ulysses. And I'm at the base right now of the castle. Here's the castle right here. Go up high. Show what's here. So it's a very well-maintained place. This is one of the stops on my tours. Folks come here. Like today, like it's a good day. It's a good family day. Early this morning they had aerobic exercises for the kids. There was too many kids to really film. Couldn't hear myself think. One of the interesting things, if you could see between, well, you can't. Yes, you could. See how the locks down there on the bottom? The locks all down there. Those are the locks of love. Folks come here, young kids come here, and with their girlfriends, and they swear an oath of love to them. And then the authorities come and they take them down. What else is new, right? Come on, we'll take another look someplace else. Okay, ciao.